Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub, where AI meets real-world engineering.
Suppose a customer asks, "Where is my order? And am I eligible for a refund?" A normal chatbot may only generate a polite answer. An agent can understand the request, choose the correct tools, fetch the order status, and decide the next step. In this video, we will build that agent using LangChain's latest Create Agent API, completely hands-on. By the end, you can adapt the same pattern to your own business workflow. First, one important update. In LangChain version 1 and later, Create Agent is the standard way to build agents. Many older tutorials use LangGraph's pre-built Create React agent, but that path is now deprecated. The new API still runs on LangGraph underneath, so we get the reliable agent loop, plus cleaner middleware and structured output support. This is the current pattern we should learn. Let us start with a fresh Python environment. Install LangChain and the OpenAI integration package. I'm using an OpenAI model for this demo, but the same agent pattern works with other supported providers. Configure the API key as an environment variable. Never hardcode or show a real key inside your Python file or video recording. Python version 3.10 or later is required. Now we create two tools. The first returns an order's current status. The second checks refund eligibility. For a quick demo, both functions use mock data. In a real application, these functions would call your database or order management API. Notice the type hint and the clear docstring. LangChain converts them into a tool schema, and the model uses that description to understand when and how to call each function. Better descriptions usually produce better tool selection. Next, import Create Agent and pass four important things. The model does the reasoning. The tools define what the agent can do. The system prompt gives clear boundaries, especially this rule: never claim that a refund was already issued. Finally, response format asks for a validated Pydantic object with an answer and an action flag. LangChain chooses an appropriate structured output strategy based on the selected model's capabilities. This makes the result easier for application code to consume. Now invoke the agent with one customer message. Watch the flow carefully. The model reads the request and asks for the order status tool. LangChain runs the Python function and sends the result back to the model. Because the customer also asked about a refund, the model can call the second tool. The loop continues until no more tool call is required. Then we read the validated result from structured response. The runtime, not the model alone, coordinates this execution. This demo only reads mock data, so it is intentionally simple. In production, validate every tool input. Add authentication, timeouts, retries, logging, and persistent state. LangChain middleware can also redact sensitive information, summarize long conversations, and pause a risky tool call for human approval. For example, checking refund eligibility may be automatic, but actually issuing a refund should normally require an authorized person. That separation protects both the customer and the business. So the modern LangChain pattern is simple. Create useful tools, combine them with a model and instructions, invoke the agent, and let the runtime manage the tool loop. Add structured output for reliable application data and middleware for production controls. You now have a clean starter agent that you can connect to your own APIs. try one extra tool as your next practice step. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for more practical AI engineering videos.